Hello, this is Donna from Mystique Cat Easy Crafts, and I've got another easy project today. This one is an Easter project, and it would be great for maybe preschoolers to do in class. It's very easy. It uses very few supplies. The only thing that I guess really would have to be careful with kids would be that I use a glue gun, but you could just use regular glue. So what I have here is, first off, I got this craft from Messy Little Monsters, and they had the template for free and everything. And I can't give you the template because for copyright reasons, but I can link you to the page where it shows how to do the crafts, and then you can click the link to print your own template. So there's a larger one and a smaller one. And what we're actually going to do is create something like this. We use acrylic paint, or if you want to, you can use poster paint or any of the cheaper paint if you want to. And then you need some cardstock. So I cut the larger one out in green and then the smaller one out in yellow. You need some cardboard, which I just had a box that something had come in and I just cut a little piece out of it. We're going to use that to scrape the paint. And then you can put this whatever you want. You could tape it to an Easter basket. You could make little rings of it by putting several of them together. I chose to put it on a bag. I figured, kids are going to have a lot of stuff that they're going to want to bring home from Easter. They could just put it right in this bag. They put their name on it here. So we're going to do one for this other side here. So since I've got my templates cut out and cardstock, I can start adding paint. So I'm actually going to use yellow, so we'll see how this goes. But just put it kind of in random spots, and not a whole lot. I may even have more than I should. I'm always heavy-handed with stuff. So then after I do the yellow, I'm going to pick up some ultramarine blue. Again, another color that would be good, but I would have had to mix white and red to do it, so I just chose not to. It would be pink because it's Easter. This one's coming out pretty thick. I've had these paints forever. I'm surprised they still work. I think they came in a kit that I got. And then the last color that I'm going to use is green. Yeah, I've got a lot of paint on here. You don't have to use this much paint. And all we're going to do is take that piece of cardboard that we cut out and we're going to scrape it down on these colors. And so whatever we get, we get. So I start at the top. Oh, this is kind of pretty, huh? You can go across if you want to, but you have to be careful going across because what you're going to do is just end up mixing all the paint together. Just very lightly doing this. I'm going to try to do a little squiggly mark. Okay. I think that's good. So now I'm just going to let that dry, which acrylic paint dries pretty quickly. So while I'm waiting on that, I'm actually going to flip this over because I'll just close it. Okay. Now, while I'm waiting on that to dry, I'm going to attach this bigger one to here. Oh, I got these cardstock just at Walmart, and they happen to be the one that has a color on each side. I think it was around $5 for 50 pieces, maybe. But like I said, there's a different color on each side, so I kind of like that. Got the bags at Walmart as well. Now I'm going to use a glue gun. But any glue will do, especially if you're, doing this with a bunch of kids. You might want to use just regular glue then. Okay. Just press that down. This is still pretty wet, so I'm going to wait for a few minutes before I put that on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I actually got a glue gun. I mean, not a glue gun, sorry, a heat gun to go ahead and dry this up a little quicker. Again, I put more paint than you have to, so I've got some pieces that are pretty thick here, and that obviously will take it longer to dry. But regardless, you could always do it one day and finish it up the next day. So get out your glue or your hot glue gun. I think I'm pretty much out. See, now that I have some glue on that, I'm just gonna turn it over, line it up. So here's this side. And here's the other side. You can only do it on one side if you want to. You could get either a marker or get some of those pretty colored pens and just write the names on them. And that way you'll have a nice little Easter project for them to do. I hope you enjoyed this. My goal is to make crafts easy for everyone and make it fun. And so I hope that's what I did. To me, it was fun. But I hope you'll come back for more crafts. And if you would give me a like and a subscribe, it would really help me get my business started. I'm just starting out, so I need all the help I can get. Thank you very much.